Hello players, welcome to the pilot of SexyTech, the late night tech show. I'm your host Buzz Stringer, and I don't really know why we call it SexyTech. We're not very sexy or very technical, but here we are. Okay, let's go through what happened in October. The biggest news was that Facebook went down, and for a few hours the world was a little bit better. But it also took down WhatsApp and Instagram, which means we all had to survive without seeing pictures of other people's meals. I know, it was devastating, but I think we've all recovered now. I mean, I'm good, but I did never get to post which member of the Avengers I was on Facebook. No. It's all useless. Anyway, one of the reasons it took so long to come back was that they couldn't access their servers because access was tied to the staff's Facebook's accounts, which were down. Maybe, just maybe, requiring a Facebook account to access your own hardware isn't the best idea. You know, just saying. Maybe there's a lesson to be learned. I don't know. But this did apparently cause Mark Zuckerberg's wealth to drop $6 billion. I mean, do we have a picture of Mark Zuckerberg? Yeah, there we go. But don't feel too bad. I think he's doing okay. He might just have to pick up a couple of extra shifts. You know, it's always upsetting when billion-dollar corporations face hard times. Amazon also had a hard time this month as 125 gigabytes of Twitch data was leaked, which included details of creator payouts, source codes, and internal security tools. Twitch's statement originally was that it is working with urgency to understand the extent of this. Awesome, glad you have it under control. I mean, could you imagine using that on your boss at work? Hey Buzz, why is all the cash missing from the register? Believe me, boss, I'm working with urgency to understand the extent of this. What? There was also details of a Steam competitor leaked as well, because, you know, it always ends well for people who try to go up against Steam. But the creator payout data was only for the top 10,000 streamers. So smaller streamers, if you work really hard and give it absolutely everything you can, you might, just might, make it into the next leak. The hacker who leaked this said that Twitch's community is a disgusting, toxic cesspool, and then posted the link on 4chan. Okay. Speaking of payouts, YouTube is going to cut off ad revenue for climate change deniers. Yeah, that's a thing. Google will no longer allow YouTube creators to monetize content that denies the existence of climate change, probably to help stop the spread of misinformation or keep advertisers happy. Either way though, I wouldn't really worry about it too much because the people that this does affect probably won't believe it's happening anyway. I did my research. 7-Eleven in Australia have also been doing their research, and they have breached customer privacy by collecting facial imagery without consent. Just when you thought it was safe to go back outside. It happened by asking customers to fill out a survey on a tablet, and the tablet took a picture of their face without telling them. Yeah, that's pretty creepy. I mean, if you want to be recorded while you shop, just check out Amazon Go. At least they tell you that they're recording everything that you do while you do it, for every second. Nobody's data is safe anymore. Your face isn't safe anymore. Yeah, it's a problem. I mean, should we do an ad? Everybody loves an ad. Private internet access. They're a VPN, and they're pretty good at it. They can't protect you from 7-Eleven or Amazon Go, but they can protect your privacy online. There's a link below which will guide you to the latest deal that they have. Okay, the night is drawing in, so let's read some YouTube comments from some of my other videos while I have this non-sponsored generic beverage. It provides an adequate amount of fluids. Okay, Aaron David on the fixing HDMI issues while Oculus Rift. Thank you so much. This finally solved my problem. I've tried everything else on YouTube and was about to give up, but it worked. Yeah, I do have some videos to help people. The video you're watching isn't one of them. I'm sorry, did he say this was Red Flag Gaming? Sorry, did he say c**t or can't? On the fixing tracking issues for Oculus Quest. You decide. But it was can't. Arthur Miwiwin. Oh, we sport some non-sponsored generic beverage. A new kid on the Logitech Killer Remote. Well, I'm not very new. I'm not very kid either. But Buzzkill, 2K15. I always believed that a high-end... let's try that one again. This is more difficult than it looks. Buzzkill 2K15. I always believe that high-intensity PT shooters and the like should be played upright with proper gaming posture at a desk, not lounging about like I was binging a season of The Office on Netflix. Yes, well, I agree. Do not binge and recline whilst gaming. I don't know. Mobile Decay says, imagine not being able to turn on your lights because you have no internet. This was on the TP light bulb link video. Yes, I've nearly dropped this twice, but that, not being able to turn your lights on because you have no internet, that is a danger that we face every day. Time's up. Do we really have to end? I don't know who I'm talking to, there's no one there. Well, if you learned anything from this video, I'm very surprised. This was a pilot show called SexyTech. Let me know if you liked it with a thumbs up or a comment. If you didn't like it, then tell me that as well. Thumbs down. Boo earns, you suck. But if you did like it, I'll try and do a couple of these a month. If not, then no hard feelings. It's just cool. It's cool. But thank you for watching. I hope you had fun. I had fun. Now get some sleep, keep playing, and be excellent to each other.
There's some pretty good ones, especially, you know, one of the crazy things when you do these live Q&As is some of them are very silly. So we got one, Mark, are the allegations true that you are secretly a lizard? I'm gonna have to go with no on that. I am not a lizard, but you know, keep the high quality comments coming in, please. This is surely on track to be a great live Q&A if we continue getting stuff at that level of quality. There's actually a lot of funny stuff in here too.